All right, let's talk about e-packet shipping and you know, pretty much how to speed up the freaking shipping times, because it takes anywhere from 14 to 21 days on average without e-packets. However, an e-packet is very useful, but what is it exactly? Now, an e-packet's where China and the US Post Office work together to get packages delivered faster from China. So you're going to want to find an e-packet supplier, and most of them do offer e-packets because it's going to give you a boost in your delivery time and help you get higher customer satisfaction as well. Now, faster delivery also means less refunds and less disputes, which is good if you're using Shopify payments. Now, how exactly do you find e-packet suppliers? Well, it's going to say e-packet right above the product, okay? So let's kind of go into AliExpress really quickly and just, you know, dogs, right? Dogs, and just quickly click on dogs. Now, what you're going to take a look at really quickly once it loads is you see these green highlighted, okay? That means these offer e-packets. However, the dog bed doesn't offer e-packets, so it's not highlighted around green. And essentially, you can't use e-packet to get that delivered, so the delivery time is going to be a lot longer. Now, again, if I just quickly sort by orders really quick, and you see the top orders all have e-packets. That's typically what you're going to see, is because people want fast shipping on smaller, more so smaller items as well. So when it comes down to it, you definitely want to look for e-packets, because e-packet will allow you to get a faster turnaround time. And you can choose from shipping from United States, ship from Canada, but again, e-packet is only available from China to the US. So when it comes down to it, what I suggest you do is really go out there and look for suppliers that offer e-packets for the products that are actually being sold, because it's going to help you increase your customer satisfaction rate and decrease chargebacks as well, right? So again, e-packet, very important because it really speeds up the shipping process. But what I suggest you do is really go out there, look for suppliers that have the product that you want and a good profit or a good margin where you can make profit, and also keep e-packet in the back of your mind for shipping. And this is the add-on, right? So it might be $3.54 plus $1.40. However, this one's just $29 free shipping. Free e-packet shipping, right? So again, you have to factor all that in as well. And if you click inside of the product, it'll show you, it'll tell you, let's just say, medium, and then it'll actually go out there. And when you're in your cart for e-packet shipping, you can add, if you add to cart or buy now, what happens here, whoops, let me just select a color. You can buy now. What's going to happen is it's going to show you all the prices as well, and what it's going to cost you with e-packet and all that fancy stuff. So again, that's the importance of e-packet. Definitely suggest you use it, and I'll see you in the next video.